Today I'm pleased to welcome Perry Stoneman, Executive Vice President and Head of Capgemini's Global Utilities Sector, to talk about some of the predictions that he has for the energy industry in the year ahead. Welcome, Perry.
Thank you.
Your prediction around artificial intelligence and RPA and how they're going to help to restore consumers' faith in utilities. Do you really believe this is going to happen?
Absolutely. The utilities have started to implement these technologies already, and we've just got too many statistics and facts that show it is working. For instance, the utility industry itself, there's a consumer expectation gap of 71% relative to other industries. So utility industry has the worst customer experience relative to expectation of all the industries. But we do know that 3/4 of utilities have implemented AI and already see a 10% improvement in sales. So for those that have implemented AI, you're getting a sales improvement. We're also seeing that 73% believe that the AI, along with RPA or robotic process automation, is going to be able to change their customer experience. And 65% feel that it will either not just improve customer experience, but reduce churn. So the numbers and the statistics are behind the prediction.